Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Carol. I'm an author, a healer, a fairy whisperer, and a gatekeeper to everything magical. And I know there's a lot of noise, but I wanted to give you some views of the Hudson River right there behind me. And we're once again in Fort Tryon Park, wishing you a blessed full moon. This is a powerhouse time. And today I've been asked by Gaia, the Earth Fae, to create a video where we're literally working Earth magic, not only for ourselves to empower us during this tremendously potent, powerful time, but also the entire Earth and all nature. So this is very much a nature magic theme today that we're going to be carrying through from henceforward. It's always been there, but we're going to put a name to it now. So I would love to check in and see how you're all doing. I hope you're all well. It's interesting. You all know that I was guided here, and I'm already being guided to a different location. So this is my last day in this location. And I don't know what to say about that, other than I was meant to come and do some energy work, some performances to lift people, and then continue on. And I know, a lot of yourselves out there, you might be finding yourself in such a kind of circumstance as well, where you think you're being guided to a certain place, and then suddenly you're guided somewhere else. And just realize that that means, your energy was there for that moment in time. And then you continue on and follow the guidance to the next location, and so on and so forth. And it might mean that you're nomadic for a while, just traveling about. I know that's the way it is for me and my 2 cats right now. We're hopping around the United States, it appears. Now, I'm just trying to feel in to see if there are any particular messages for everyone. For me, it's been a week, as I had mentioned before, of tremendous growth, at the same time challenges and tests. And, it's something that we just, as the crows were telling us last week, keep in the magic and remember that this is all part of moving forward. All right, I'm going to go directly at this point into our actual ritual for the full moon. They want me to drive home again how powerful this full moon is. So, anything that's bubbling up for you to look at again, things that you haven't seen for a while and you see coming back, that is a signal that you are to, view it and send healing to it and send it to the divine. Send it packing, basically, until, something new bubbles up. And it seems like this is a continuous process in ascension right now, where you think you've worked through something and then here it comes again. So just be ready and, willing to look at that and see how you can work through that. If it's something, as we did last week, that the inner child wants you to truly work with so that it is healed, and then let that go. All right. Now I think it's time for us to place our feet directly on Gaia. She's going to come through and facilitate today for us. And please feel yourself growing silver roots from the balls of your feet down into Gaia. And we're going to go about a foot down below where your feet are situated. And at this point, I feel Go, Monarch of the Earth Fairies, coming forward. And he is guiding us down into the Earth Star chakra, a foot below your feet. And he is literally working his magic to create the earthen stairway. If you've been with me before on the inner earth. Oh no, he says we're not going down, but he wants you to see it. Okay. So he is brandishing his staff 3 times. And you can see the earth fall away. And you look and you can see an earthen stairway going down into the heart of Gaia. And this is what he wanted you to see. So he has you looking deep into Gaia, and you may see her crystalline heart, the crystalline core beating. Now, we are being guided to plant ourselves on the earth herself for grounding, okay? So that means basically placing your feet directly on Gaia. You may literally lie down on Gaia if you have that ability. There is snow and ice on the ground right here, so that's not something we're going to do today. But it is something that would help with the grounding process. I know it's getting very dark right here. I'm hoping we can get some light back. This tends to happen with my videos. My apologies. Okay, now, please get yourself very comfortable so that you are touching Gaia. And Gaia is now coming to us up through the earth, through the balls of our feet. If you're seated on Gaia, through your sit bones, your tailbone, your root. If you are lying on Gaia, through the pores of your skin. And she is gifting you right now with a golden light. Very beautiful. Allow that to flow through you all the way from your toes, up your ankles, your feet, your legs, into the root of your body, and up each of your chakra points. We're going from the root to the sacral, the navel, the solar plexus, the heart, the high heart, the throat, the third eye, and ultimately the crown. Now allow yourself to feel that tingling energy just flowing through you. And you can visualize it as golden sparkles just permeating your body from the balls of your feet to the crown of your head. Now, what Gaia is going to assist us in doing, first of all, is sending earth magic and healing to the earth and her children. So we are going to start by channeling this golden energy out through our heart, our hands, and into the earth herself. So you can literally raise your hands right now and feel that energy flowing through you into Gaia. Golden light. And Gob and the Earth Fairies are now directing this, if you're not on a ley line, 2 ley lines, so that our golden light is literally augmented, highlighted, and literally propelled through those ley lines across the United States where I'm at, up into the mountains, and literally going deep into the waters of the ocean. We have help from the merfolk here and all the water creatures, from whales to dolphins, all water beings, continuing across the oceans and into Europe, Asia, continuing down to Australia, New Zealand. We are spilling from the United States down into South America, as well as up to North America, going up to Greenland, all the islands, up to the North Pole. And as it were spilling downward through, I'm sorry, these are happening all consecutively, so I'm trying to say them all at the same time. So they're spilling downward, they're going into Antarctica as well. So we're hitting all the islands off the coast and heading out through the ocean, Hawaii, all the Pacific Islands. We're hitting all Earth masses right now with this golden energy, as well as all waters, including lakes, ponds, streams. Since I am here in Manhattan right now, they are having me specifically target the Hudson with golden light. This beautiful river behind me. They are now having me take this energy, please follow me, and send it up through all trees on Earth right now. See, this is golden light coming up through all trees. See the trees lighting up, filling with health, vigor, and high vibration. We are continuing this to all vegetation, plants, flowers, shrubs, vines. See that golden light permeating each of these beings. We are now sending the golden light to all animals. I have several dogs running around me here in the park right now. We're sending to the dogs, to all birds, to all insects, to all mammals, to all fish, to every living creature on the earth. See all the animal kingdom lighting up with the golden light now. See all animals and creatures healthy, happy, whole. Beautiful. And now we are sending to all people. We had the little dog come up to us, so sweet. Very beautiful. And let's just see all people lit up now with the golden light. And all people healthy, happy, whole, truly living a fifth dimensional existence of love and unity consciousness. See all people healed, including yourself. They're having me move to the glorious mountains, which I've been teaching so much about. And of course, we have the ley lines connecting to the mountains right now, but send that golden light up the mountains. Those of you that were in my Magic of Mountains class know that there are mountains that are literally dying in the world right now. So we are sending them healing, love, light, golden light from the base all the way to the peak of all mountains. And see them lit up across the world, across the earth plane. All rocks being lit up. And the earth herself, all landscape. Even those areas not within the ley lines or dragon lines. See them all lit. The landscape. In fact, see a golden light going across the earth right now. May all the earth and her beings, her children, be blessed with this golden light from Gaia's heart. May we all be blessed. May we be blessed. May we grow, live, and thrive in this glorious, glorious healing. May we in turn share this light with all who we touch and come in contact with this day and all days of our existence, now and forevermore. And may all beings who share in this blessing of golden healing earth magic be blessed and in turn bless others. May we all be blessed, grow, live, and thrive in this incredible display of light. And now take a moment just to feel that within your being. Know that you are a part of nature, a part of Gaia herself, that we are all united as one. Can you see the rainbow light coming down right now? I don't know if you can see it, but it is truly here coming. We're also getting twin golden lights coming across us. This is magical. Oh my word. Thank you, Gaia. Thank you, everyone who is participating. That golden light is for us to see that our ritual is truly taking effect on this powerful full moon. And now as you bask in this golden light, I want you to call forward those goals, those dreams which have been gifted to you by the divine. You know intuitively what they are. Oh my goodness, see the light coming down this way now. Wow. All right. Call it to mind and now speak it into existence. Or with your thoughts. What are you birthing? What are you bringing forth? Speak it or think it into this light of Gaia, of this earth magic now. I'm calling forth these blessings for each and every being watching this, and for those we interact with and we touch. And now take that energy that you just sent out into the golden light, hold it in your heart, and stare up at your full moon. Know that it is there, even if it's daylight right now. See it and proclaim what you just spoke to the golden light, to the full moon. All right, dear ones, this is your ritual for today, and indeed, anytime you see it, the energy will be potent for you. Thank you so much for participating. We will now thank Gaia for her beautiful healing today. Blessings to Gaia as we send that energy back to her. See her healthy and whole. Blessings to go in the earth fairies. Indeed, all fae that worked with us, all the trees, all the earth herself, the rocks, the mountains, the ley lines, the ocean ley lines, the ocean, all animals, birds, insects, all creatures, great and small, all beings, all people united in this process. And every being that took part in it. Thank you for taking part in it. And now I once again always tell you to check out my website, carolweekland.com, and you can see all my wonderful books there. We have all kinds of fabulous you can look at fairy parties, you can look at classes and online courses and performances and all kinds of wonderful things. I appreciate your support. Wishing you all a magical full moon. And the next time I see you, I will be at yet another location. So bidding you farewell from Fort Tryon Park, and once again a view of the Hudson. Wishing you all a very magical day. Sending you my love and blessings.